Seems to be in that gap.
Yeah, I was just going to say that was in there. We get all the, like, activity of the lightning down here more than we, like we've known them do.
Oh.
That's got to be doing some damage there. Looks like that's not over here. That looks like it might be in Bertram. About over.
Yeah.
Well, there's sun out there too.
There's nothing out the front of the house. It's clear sky out the front of the house.
The clouds are like a spiral.
I know, yeah.
Like a cyclone shape. But it can't be because it's too small then. You'd never see it like that. Unless you're in space.
All the rain getting dumped out in the middle of it. Look at it.
We should go to the block and see how it handles the rain. Oh, yeah, it's all in the middle, eh? You see it? It's like a cloud in the centre.
Probably hanging over river gums, hitting all them trees.
Oh, I had to put the news on in the morning. Wow.
I've never seen it so like constant.
Wow, that was a cool one. There's quite a bit hanging out in that corner over there. You see it?
On the other side of that house there.
On that one. That's the same. They like forked through the sky. That was a long one. Can't quite see it after past this road. It's come up, it's moved over a bit into the house. You can't see it with the